Welcome back. So till now our logic is working fine. We are able to see the output and the calculations also showing properly. Now we need to display this data of GT underscore PO based on these output columns we have to show in the output. For that we will add a logic to display data in the ALV output. So let's do the data declaration for that. So here I will write the data for ALV. So data like GT underscore fillcat of type LVC underscore T underscore fcat, that is fill catalog. Then GS underscore fcat like line of GT underscore fillcat. This all we have learned in the ALV report development. Next I want GS underscore layout of type LVC underscore L underscore layout, Leo, this one. The next I want a variant GS underscore variant of type this variant. Next I want grid not required, and yeah, I will require one count type I. So this is to build the fill catalog and display the output. Now what I will do here in this display data, I will comment this part. For testing I use that, and this will not available in the ECC, but as for HANA for testing you can use this. Now I have to build the fill catalog first. Based on the fill catalog we'll able to see the output. Okay, so first always clear the data of fill catalog table. Along with that clear the work area as well and the count. Okay, now first I will set the layout option. So my GS underscore layout, I will set the column width optimize for all the columns. So we don't have to pass the length for each column. Second, let's add one box field. Okay, so here I will add one box field. That's why I use the into corresponding fields in that, so system will work properly. So in the output table GT EKPO, I have added one more field as cell because I want one box like this box I want on the output. So we write here GS underscore layout, the box field name equal to, which is the field name, always you have to pass here capital letter. Doesn't matter how you added in the type declaration, but here we have to pass in the capital letter. And for the variant, we write here GS underscore variant report equal to psi. Psi is a system field, right? Psi REPID. Okay, so now build a fill catalog. For the fill catalog, like GV underscore count equals to GV underscore count plus 1. Second, we have to pass the field name. So GS underscore fcat field name equals to, my field is EBELN. Okay, and then the text, so GS underscore fcat column text, control space, use the column text. Column text I will give here as a PO number. Fine. Remaining are optional, whether we don't want, up to us what to add. Okay, and here we'll pass the GS underscore fcat, the column position equals to gv underscore count. So remaining all are optional. So append gs underscore fcat to gt underscore fcat and clear gs underscore fill catalog. Save, check and activate. Okay, now we have to repeat this for all the remaining columns. For all the remaining columns, I will copy this. What is the next column? My next column is EB, ELP, PO, item. Next, I will give here the vendor. Let's add listener. I will give here as the vendor ID. Okay, let's keep PO line item later. First, the header record. Okay, so PO, after PO, we'll add the AE date, PO date, then vendor, then I will add vendor name. I will add here vendor name, that is the name one, vendor ID, vendor name. Okay, and after EBELP, we'll add here Matnar, that is a material ID, material ID. After material ID, I will add material description. So field is TXZ01. Just type here description. After description, the PO quantity. For the PO quantity, we have mench. Okay, so here we can type as PO quantity, then unit of measure. Here type as MEINS, means unit of measure, and then the GR quantity. Okay, so for the PO quantity, I will add some color here. So I will write GS underscore FCAT emphasize equals to C5. Okay, so I'm adding some color here. PO quantity, order quantity 5, and the GR quantity. The GR quantity is, let's say, GR quantity. Here I will give some other color. Okay, let's keep as it is. And the GR reversal, GR underscore REV. So GR reversal, and finally the balance quantity. For the balance quantity, the column name is BAL. I will give here balance quantity, and here write GS underscore FCAT emphasize equals to C3. Fine. So till now we have built the fill catalog. Now we need to display this in the output. For the output, we'll make use of function module reuse ALV grid display LVC. So here we have to call that function module, go to pattern, type here reuse underscore ALV grid display underscore LVC. Press enter. Pass all the required data and we can remove all the unwanted things. So always open the first exceptions. My output table is GT underscore PO. Okay, now come from top to bottom, exporting. The first here we can pass the callback program. So here we can see the callback program uncomment control n greater than sign psi repid. Okay, save, check and error, no error till now. And next we can pass here the layout. The layout we have to pass in the is underscore layout. So here we can see this is underscore layout LVC. So here we'll pass gs underscore layout. Then we have the fill catalog. and the variant. So IT underscore fill catalog. In this we have to pass the fill catalog table, GT underscore fcat body, and then like I will pass the default as X. In the save we can pass A, okay, and the variant use GS underscore variant. Save, check, and activate, no error. Fine. So I will execute the report as it is, pass the PO number first, single PO. See, we are successfully able to display the data in the output. PO number, PO date, vendor ID, vendor name, PO item, material ID. Okay, so let's remove this material leading zero from the vendor and the material ID first. This is display issue. Okay, this is display issue. Like here we can see it is 10 actually, but it is showing 10,000. So GR is 7,000, reversal is 2,000, so balance is 5. So let's first remove the leading zero from material. So how to remove the leading zero? So GS underscore fcat no underscore zero. This no underscore zero we have to mark as X. And the same for the vendor. Fine. Now again if I execute the same single purchase order number, so this time no zero. Okay. So this way we are successfully able to see the output of open purchase order. Now let's run for the complete all the purchase order. So if I execute here, see, we can see all the purchase order in this system. Fine. So like this, we are successfully able to create the open purchase order report. Based on the requirement, some small changes might be required, some correction in the logic also required, that we have to do. Here also we can see the order quantity is 5, GR1, balance 4. Let's cross check this. I will copy this purchase order number, go to ME22N, 5 order quantity, expand the line item, purchase order history, 101 is one quantity. Okay, so like this, you are successfully done with the session on creating open purchase order report. So one more thing here. This is the default output based on the like layout I set. Now let's assume you want to change this layout. You want you don't require the vendor name. Let's assume you don't require vendor name. So right click and hide. Okay, and you want PO item as it is, PO date as it is. You don't also require unit of measure. Right click and hide. Now next time whenever you will execute the report, you want to see this as a default. For that, here click on save layout. You can give any name here, any name you can give. I'm just giving default. Now here user specific option is there. Suppose you want this layout to be applicable only for you, select this user specific. Now if your requirement is the same layout to be applicable to all the user, keep this as default. Execute, layout saved. Now if I come back, if I execute, see we can see the default one, because we set that as a default layout. And if you have multiple layout and if you want to select any one, just go to this center icon, select layout. You can see multiple layout. In that case, select the required one that will get applied. Okay, so in this way we have done with the session on creating the open purchase order report with a GR reversal and a balance quantity report. Thank you.